You guys, I have the Crock-Pot. It's the original slow cooker. I have it right here. We're gonna be doing a quick unboxing for you guys, but before we do, I just wanna point out a couple things. So it is that slow cook, delicious casserole dip, dessert, and more. You could cook a bunch of stuff in here right here. It's a manual cook and it has the warm settings. So we do have the off, low, high, and warm right there. It does have the locking lid feature, which is right here and right here. This is perfect for parties. Like if you guys are gonna take this somewhere, you could lock it, you could put it in your car, don't have to worry about the spilling, none of that stuff. And it is oven safe, you guys. That's why I like it right here. And it is a pretty good seller on Amazon. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it is a 3-piece. We have the actual cooker itself. We have the bowl that you go ahead and insert on top like that. And then we do have the top, the lid, of course, with the locking sides. I do want to point out that the size is 2.5 quarts. So this is perfect for a smaller size family, or if you live by yourself, or maybe the 2 to 3 people right here. Okay, I do want to point out that this is the off settings. We do have the low, so that's if you're trying to cook something for 8 to 10 hours. We do have the high, that's more like 4 to 6 hours. And then we have the warm after it's cooked. You can just go ahead and throw it on warm, like, or if you take it to a party, you have it on warm and it's good to go and it's gonna stay nice and warm. So let's go ahead and put the top on here. And then we do have the locking sides, you guys. You guys can see how tight that was right there. If you guys are traveling with this, I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be good to go. It's not gonna fall out of there. It is perfect for traveling. And I do wanna show you guys, this is how the cord looks right here. And we do have a good size. Let me go ahead and unravel it. We do have an almost 3-foot cord right here. And let me show you guys what the bottom looks like. And as you guys can see, the top is on there. It's not going anywhere. Definitely recommend picking up this Crock-Pot.